Should I buy my home, my new home, before I sell my current home? All right, guys, so we're getting to the last two right here. And remember, every situation is gonna be a little bit different. So if you're trying to figure out what's the best for you, feel free to reach out to myself or the team. Give me a call, 858-345-7829. Okay, so get into the last two right here. Okay, number 6, is your current home requiring significant repairs or renovations that you wanna make before you sell, right? So let's say you know what your property is going to currently sell at today, yet maybe if you did some foundation work on the property or just some drastic repairs to it, did an addition to it, right? In some communities, if you have a 3-1 but add that second bathroom, make it a 3-2, the value's going to shoot up quite significantly, right? So maybe you go, okay, I'm going to buy right now, do some upgrades, repairs, renovations of the property, and then sell when I'm fully out of the property. And then the last one is, do you have a unique opportunity to purchase a home at a drastically discounted price? I mean, you never know. I mean, maybe a relative, someone wants to move fairly quick out of their property, and they're saying, hey, I need the money right now. If you could buy this directly from me, I'm going to cut off X amount off the top. I mean, it does happen. You never know. But I would really say that those 7 things are going to be things you really want to think about if you want to look into the idea of buying before you selling.